everyone, it's Matt Smith here from AIM with another video for you. And today we're going to be talking about views. Now, a view is basically a way of searching or filtering records within Remedyforce. So it may be that I only want to see tickets that are in my queue. I might only want to see tickets that are open. I might only want to see tickets for a certain client that I'm currently working on. And the way we see our views is we go to our Remedyforce Console and we have a view drop down here. You can see that we have quite a few in our system already. Now when you add a queue to Remedyforce, I'll just show you what a queue is. So we go to the Setup menu and open Manage Users and go to Queues. You'll see we have a number of different queues here, and they're basically just groups of people. It could be first line, second line, third line, development teams, whatever they might be. That is a queue within Remedyforce, and it's a way of owning tickets. And when we add a queue, we automatically get a view added as well. For instance, Help Desk North America. What I'm going to show you here is how we just create a new view entirely from scratch. So if we click on Create New View at the bottom here, we're then taken to the Create New View screen. And as an example, maybe I only want to see open P1 incidents, so incidents that have a priority of 1. The next step you can see here is, do I want to see all incidents that are then filtered by this additional filter criteria, just my incidents, or incidents that are in a particular queue? Now, because I'm not particularly interested by ownership, I just care about P1s that are open, I'm going to leave this on all incidents. All I then have to do is build up my filter logic down here. And it's very similar to other videos you may have seen where we've done the same type of thing. You just work from left to right and top to bottom. So the first thing I'm going to want to specify, and it doesn't really matter which order you do these, but the first one I'm going to do here is priority. So priority equals 1. The next thing I'll do is specify that the ticket is open. There's a field here that's called state open. And we'd like that to be true. And then the third field, there's a field in Remedyforce called incident type. And this can be used to specify whether the ticket is an incident or a service request or something else. And so we want to specify this to be an incident. So you can therefore see, if we just read kind of top to bottom, priority equals 1 and state open equals true and incident type equals incident. And just to let you know, if you wanted to change that criteria slightly, so have different operators here, we can click on Add Filter Logic. And so maybe you'd want to see all priority ones that are either open or an incident. You could change this criteria here, put an OR in, put some brackets around your 2 and your 3, and that is how you would specify that. I can't imagine anyone actually doing that type of search, but just to give you an idea about how you can use ORs, which do very much sometimes come in useful. And I'm going to give that a save. Let's go back to our Remedyforce console. You need to give it a refresh as well, just to make sure that you can see that new search, or that new view, sorry. And if we scroll down and click on Open P1 Incidents, you can see we're now seeing a couple of open P1s. Hope this video is useful. If you do have any questions, I'll be putting my details on a slide at the end of the video. Thank you.